Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, September 20th, 2024. I am going to show you a routine I do that hits everything. Coordination, mobility, stability, power, speed, agility, flexibility. It hits all of them. This is not so easy, but not so hard. But the first part I'm going to do is the sit and stand, sit up to stand up. I'm going to show you step by step. After I do this routine, I'm going to show you step by step on how to train for it. So this is good for the fast switch fibers, the fast motor units that we lose as we age. This is very important, the aging, because it shows your coordination. So now I'm going to show you the sit up to stand up. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. I've done prior videos with the sit up to stand up, but I did it with the weight. People ask me, they want a tutorial on how I train for this. So I'm going to show you how to train for this because this is very important for aging. It demonstrates the health of your body. Like I said, coordination, agility, because you need a lot of flexibility in your hips. You need power to come up. That's the fast twitch fibers. It hits everything. And this shows how healthy your body is if you can do it without your hand. So I'm going to demonstrate some exercise I do to train for this. I know a lot of people don't like doing sit-ups, but you need to do the following, okay? And you need to do it fast. Do 10 reps really fast. Okay, put your hands here and you do this. 1, 2, 3. Just up to the middle of your thighs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can't do 10, do as many as you can until you build up to 10. But try to do them as fast as you can because that builds up. This is the momentum. This is the momentum coming up. You need the core, the fast twitch fibers. You need the power, like that. Because when you do that, it helps you get up. Okay? You need a little speed. Okay, because you're not using. Most people do a deck squat. They do it like this, right? Like that. That's too easy. It's much harder to do with your feet planted. That's why you need to train your body for specific exercises. Here's another one. The next thing I do is if you're stuck somewhere, you do oscillation exercise. I have a video. You can look up here. I have a video that shows oscillatory training. That gets the sticking point. When you're stuck somewhere, like let's say you're trying to do this and you get stuck here. You get stuck here, look. You get stuck there. So this is what you do. Put your hands like this, like that. Put your hands here. Okay? And go like this. 1, 2. Put your feet flat on the floor. 3. Try not to use your hands. Try to use only your legs. Try not to use your hands like this, okay? Your arms. Just use your legs. Just do as many as you can. That's the sticking point. That helps the sticking point. Another thing you want to do is this. Okay? Keep your hands back like this and just go 1, 2, as fast as you can. 3, 4. Touch Your chest, touch your knees. Okay, not your elbows, your chest gotta touch your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can't do 10, just do 1 or 2 reps. Whatever you can do, you gotta train for this. Because when you touch your chest, I mean, it really gets the fat switch fibers in your core. Your core is very important for this exercise, and your knees, your knee flexibility is very important. So now I'm going to show you different exercises I do. Let's go over here. The next exercise you're going to do, this gets the sticky points too. Put your leg up, your right leg up, and you hold down to a pole, like this here. Okay? You come down. When you come up, you don't use your hand, you use only your leg. Seven, 8, 9. Try to explode up. 10. Now we're going to do the other leg. Okay. Same thing. Left leg up. Hold on to the pole. Not up here. Down here. It's by your waist. By your waist. You go down. Shoot up. Go down. Shoot up. Shoot up. Try to go as far as you can. If you have a hard time, then use your hand in the beginning as guidance to help you till you get better at it. Let me show you again. If you're stuck and you can't do it, if you're older and you have a hard time, you do this, right? You come down. You come down. When you come down, go back. Don't go down. Go back. So if you let go, you will fall. Okay? Watch. If I let go right now, I'll fall. Okay? Remember, if you let go, you're going to fall. Like that. That's another exercise you need to do. Build up to it. If you can't do 10 reps, don't do 10 reps. Do 1, 2, 3. Use your hand as help in the beginning until you don't have to use your hand. Remember, when you come up, explode. And remember, if you let go of your hand, you're going to fall. Remember those rules. Another exercise to do for training this, you do the reverse. It's called the negative. You do the reverse. I'll show you. You go down like that. Okay? Slow. Go down. 2. This is where you get the movement. Do it slow. Press into the ground with your feet. Press into the ground with your feet. Always keep your feet flat. Press into the ground. Press. Press. That's like a negative when you're working out. Instead of doing concepts, you do a negative. Same principle. That's another routine exercise you need to train for when you do this. So now I'm going to show you a different exercise for your training. When you do this, sit up to stand up, with just your feet planted. You need to explode. Let me show you what I mean. Like that. Scream if you have to. Let me just do the routine one last time. That's where you get the idea. Okay? Remember, every time I jump, my knees touch my chest. Even when I'm doing the burpee, my knees always touch my chest. That's where you get the plyometric power in your hips and everything. Okay? 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the routine. Anyway, you get the idea. This gets it all. It gets coordination, flexibility, agility, stability, mobility, flexibility, power, strength, you name it, even cardiovascular. It hits that too, especially when doing the reps. This is excellent for aging. Do the exercises. Hope you build up to it. Good luck, everyone. See you in my next video.